introduce you to this fabulous woman who has stolen the hearts of many for many years. Himaji, you're most welcome in our program.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Now, you are here in Vancouver doing a concert. How was that?
I mean, I'm very happy to be here at Vancouver after so many years. But this is not for the concert.
No.
This is I had come as a guest of honor to this function.
Okay.
But I would love to come back to this city to perform. You know,
That would be very
basically
nice.
I'm a dancer, so I would like to perform here a proper concert. I want to do it.
Well, let's take you back. You are a classical dancer
Yeah.
and you've done Bharatnatyam. How old were you when you did that for the very first time?
I was 6-year-old when I started learning dance. Then from the age of 8 and 9, I started performing on the stage as a little kid. And I was in Delhi those days.
Right.
And that is how I groomed myself. My mother groomed me, I must say, because she was the one who was completely behind me to become
Right.
whatever I am today. And then we went back to Madras to improvise my dance.
Right.
And that being a film industry, you know,
Right,
the
right.
South Indian film industry.
And a very vibrant one at that.
Yeah, yes, and then so many people started asking me, offers started coming. That is why I got into films. Otherwise, my intention was not at all there to be an actress. I wanted to be only a dancer.
Now, so who was your mentor? Who did you admire the most?
I used to admire Vaijayantimala a lot.
Her style of dancing was...
Yeah, she was a classical dancer
right.
and also a very good actress in Hindi films.
Yeah. Now, if you look at your career after Vaijayantimala, you are the one who command that sort of a respect.
I'm so thankful to God because I always used to admire her so much, and almost similar thing happened to me also, you know, the way I also started dancing and coming into films, almost like her.
Now, your life has been very colorful. A very vibrant dancer, a great actress. You've worked with the best actors, the best banners,
Very handsome actors.
and very handsome actors. And you happen to marry one of them too. No, how did you do that? You broke all the norms and you married him.
Love means you can't say any right left. You're just simply in love with somebody and you go ahead.
Now he must have done something that you decided nothing can stop you from marrying him. What is it that you admire most about Dharmendra ji?
It's just a love at first sight. That's
Yeah,
it.
that is it. And how? I mean, you've got two children now.
Yeah, I have 2 daughters. Yeah. And Aisha is my elder daughter's
Right.
name, and Ahana is my second one.
Right.
And Aisha, though I never wanted her to be in films, I wanted her to be continue as a dancer just like me. So I made her, come on, you have to learn this classical art. You know,
Right.
it's so beautiful. Our Indian classical dances are. So initially she was not into it because she wanted to play football.
Right.
She is a good football player.
No kidding.
Yeah. And then I said, no, you better dance, learn, because everybody asks me, ki mama is dancing, so your daughters must be doing very well, very good dances. I used to feel a little awkward, you know, then I told her. Then she said, okay, mommy, I will learn. But she wanted to learn only Odissi style of dance.
Right.
So she's learned that dance and she dances very well. And it is such a lovely and a happy feeling, you know, wonderful feeling for a mother, because I dance along with both my daughters on the stage.
No kidding.
Yes. Now recently also we give lot of shows.
Now you said Odissi is her passion.
Yes.
And so you've done
I do
Bharatanatyam.
Bharatanatyam and both my daughters do Odissi. So we have few items like that, and then finally I do, it's a fusion.
Okay. Okay.
So Bharatanatyam and Odissi combination in one song, we do it.
Now is the dance style very different, Odissi and Bharatanatyam?
Style is different, but the basic steps and everything, the song will remain the same.
Right.
But I will be performing in Bharatanatyam style and they will be doing an Odissi style. It's very wonderful to see, you know.
We would love to see that.
Yes. But unfortunately people are not interested in seeing classical dance.
I remember your first visit here in
Yes, do you
73.
remember that? Oh God, what a fiasco it was.
You came on stage and people were expecting you to do a filmy dance.
Film dance, yes. Yeah.
Let's talk a little bit about you as a woman who has brought up 2 daughters, and you have your own ideas, You've done whatever you've always wanted to do in life. So,
Yeah.
are you passing that on to your daughters?
I'm making them very bold, and I want every woman to be on their own, to stand on their own. I don't want them to depend on anyone. Especially in India, there's a lot of suppression is there.
Right.
As a women, they feel, oh, we can't do anything like that. I mean, I'm not talking about the city side.
That's right.
The rural areas, women have to be uplifted. We have to give them a lot of courage and all. So I do a lot of things for them also. A lot of
In your own time.
yeah, in my own way, I'm trying to help them all out. So naturally, I will tell my daughters, you have to be on your own. You have to do some kind of a profession, like either it is interior designing or a dancer,
Right.
or whatever profession you take. You must be the best and be on your own.
And you brought up both your daughters like that.
Yes, and also in my dances, all the dance ballets I do nowadays,
Right, yes.
because you know what happened, the classical dance when I do all alone, there's a
Right.
lot of
Yes.
unfortunately people don't understand the language,
Yes.
So now I have made it in Hindi, and it is a ballet, it's a story form.
Right.
So when I do that also, I am trying to give emphasis to women's strength,
Right.
women's empowerment kind of a thing. Like I do a ballet on Durga.
Right. Okay.
So Durga is the Shakti,
Yes.
she is the power. So how she killed that Mahishasura, the demon.
That is the story of
That
her.
is a story of
Right.
Durga, and she's all alone, a lady, being a woman, how she does it.
Right.
And then Mahalakshmi, she is the goddess of prosperity.
Right.
And then Savitri is another one. We have this mythological story of
Satyavan.
Satyavan Savitri.
Yes.
There also it shows the strength of a woman. And then now recently I have done a ballet on Draupadi, in which we narrate the entire story of Mahabharata.
Okay.
Our Indian epic,
Right.
Ramayana and Mahabharata.
That's
So
right.
Mahabharata, but I am trying to say Draupadi is the main character, a female character, but I am trying to tell the story of Mahabharata from her point of view.
Ah.
How she goes through among all the men, there are so many men characters are there.
That's right.
So how she has to go through all of them, and finally she tells the people of India today that I have gone through a lot. I have suffered a lot. Though I had 5 husbands with me, I was disrobed in the big
In front of everyone.
in front of everyone. And I was the most luckiest one because Lord Krishna was with me. But today it is very, very difficult for you people to have him unless you have the highest devotion for him.
Now
So
that must be a fascinating ballet.
beautiful ballet that is. So the women today have to be on your own. Come on, fight your own battles.
Yeah.
So that is the kind of a message in every dances I am trying to.
Now, Hema ji, are you a spiritual person?
Very much. Yes. The dance is spiritual,
It is, isn't it?
Yes. So automatically, whoever learns this classical Indian dance, they are into spiritualism, because it is the Natya Shastra. You are going through the Vedas, so many things,
So, who's your favorite goddess?
My goddess, Mother Durga.
Yeah, and she gives you the
She
strength.
gives me the strength. So whatever I am today, it is her power which I am able to, show it, give it to people.
Hema Malini of the Bombay film industry, Hema Malini the mother, Hema Malini the activist, all of them put together, you are a complete woman. Which part of yours is the one that you can say was with me from day one?
From day one, the dance was the one.
The dance was.
Yeah. And I am also now the chairperson of NFDC, that is National Film Development Corporation.
Right.
So the government of India, they
Right.
have taken me as the chairperson.
Okay.
So we make lot of films, very good films, good cinema it is called, and we give a platform to lot of young directors to
Right.
make films, and we give them the budget, a small budget we have,
Yes.
and they make brilliant films. They make the youngsters, and most of the films have gone for so many festivals.
Right.
Like now recently, 2-3 films of ours went to Cannes Festival.
Fantastic.
Yeah, and then we went to Shanghai Film Festival. Like
Right.
that, a lot of films goes. So I'm so glad to be a very important person in this
In the
NFDC.
decision making, yeah.
Yeah, in decision making, it's very nice.
Now, your film
So,
career.
so I was as a film artist dancing, and suddenly I go to office.
How did that feel?
Yeah, it's a very different feeling. And so many men working.
Uh-huh.
There's MD, there is a finance director, this, that.
Right.
But I'm the main person.
Mm-hmm. Then tell me, out of all of this, do you like this person sitting behind the desk and making decisions? As a person going to the office and working?
Yeah, I love it.
You like it?
Yeah, but I don't go every day.
No. Once a while. Hemaji, we were talking about you being an office person now and enjoying yourself at that.
I'm enjoying very much. I got a lovely room for myself.
Right, and about 5-6 phones in front of you.
Yes, phone, and then a big table, and then other people sit across the table.
Now tell me, you're also the editor of a couple of magazines.
Yes, that
And-
is, I started as an editor for Meri Saheli, means my friend.
Okay,
In
that's a
Hindi.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
And then it became so popular all over North India.
Mm-hmm.
Then now they started New Woman. It's in English.
It's the same magazine in English.
Not same.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it's the same publication.
What is the concept of
New
Meri
Woman.
Saheli and New Woman? Does it have any film information in it, or is it just for the women? And
Just for women,
Yeah.
but for a new woman,
Okay.
What is new woman is.
all right. What is a new woman? Tell me. Tell me. What is the new woman
So
of India
the
today?
Indian new woman is supposed to be you live in your own family. You
Okay.
have got your family values
Yes.
and traditions.
Okay.
Follow it, keep it up, but at the same time, don't be behind.
Don't
you
look behind.
be forward. Do what is today what the people are doing. Learn many things and be on your own. At home also you can stay and do a lot of work
Yeah.
for the people.
Now, I from your film career, I know you've got to go back on stage again. Your film career, there must be beautiful memories. Which is the one which you will always remember? Which is the one which is the most closest to your heart?
Working in Sholay and Sita Gita was very, very interesting. Everybody asked me, why are you not working in films? You're looking good. I said, yeah, I look good. That doesn't mean that I have to work only in films.
That's right. You can.
I have got so many other things. I had to learn so many things. I spent about 25 years of my life, my best period of my life into films.
That's right.
Now I want to do many other things. I want to learn a lot of things. That's what I'm doing.
You've done some serials as well,
Television serial, I have directed films,
right?
and that's what I'm doing.
Where do
now.
you see Hema Malini in 20 years from today?
I want to be everything. I want to do all, I want to open a dance institute where I can teach the young children the classical dance.
Right.
I want the classical Indian dance to be very popular. Want to make film. I want to be the best film producer, director, and I want my children to follow me the same way.
And where do you see, I know that Aisha has done really well for herself under
Yes,
your guidance.
yes.
And where do you see Ahna?
Ahana is also getting a lot of offers to work in films, but she wants to be a director.
Wow.
Yeah, so
That's very
very
good.
soon she'll be coming to Los Angeles to study. She's just in 12th standard now.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah,
Well,
correct.
Hemaji, thank you very much
Yeah,
for
it
being
was
my
nice being here.
my woman in focus, and I wish you all the best. And when you're sitting behind that desk
Yes.
and giving orders to all those people, I'll be thinking about you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.